How to cast screen from your phone to Roku TV. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick guide on how to easily screen mirror your phone to your Roku TV. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Roku TV and simply head over to the settings menu. And the first thing you need to make sure is that you're connected to the same wireless network on your Roku TV as well as your phone. So head over to network and then click on about. Now here you just have to make sure that you're connected to the same network. Now you can go back and then click on the settings screen mirroring. And from here what you can do is click on screen mirroring mode. And as long as you have the prompt mode on, you will be good to go, because if it's on never allowed, then you won't be able to allow the screen mirroring. So make sure that it's on prompt, because whenever you try to cast a screen, it will pop up on your screen. So once you do that, just head over to your phone real quick, and then from your notification panel, open up your settings. Now click on Bluetooth and device connections, and here you'll be able to pair a new device. So once you do that, head over to connection preferences and then simply head over to cast. Now once you click on it, just wait for Roku TV to pop up on your screen. Once you see the Roku player, just click on it to start casting. Now here on your Roku TV, you will be able to allow the cast. So just click on allow, and then it will start casting your screen. And as you can see, the video is now starting from the phone, and it should look something like this on your TV. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.